So once you get into the subway, find the ticket booth. If you don't know how to say where you want to go, I type it in on the notes and show them the location. I can then pay for this ticket on my Alipay, again, which is set up with my international bank card, MasterCard. And then it gives me a ticket, which I go and scan on the machine to let me through. There are signs, colour coordinated and in English everywhere to help you direct where you need to go. So it's super easy to navigate. If at any point you're unsure, just check your app again and make sure the station names match. When you're on the subway, they've got the lines super clearly to show you the station you're at, the next station, even which side the doors are opening. Again, look at this, all colour coordinated, so easy to figure out where to go. If you're not sure here, again, look at your app and the way you want to go. And it's really just matching the words to make sure you're in the right direction. They've even got maps at each subway to make sure you're getting off at the right exit. And then when you go, you feed your ticket into where it even says in English, insert the ticket.